And today's my birthday. It's my birthday. I can do what I want. I can be what I want.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride.
Remember the first time in the moonlight, time stood still. Oh, what a thrill! Your eyes met mine in a silent song. Hearts alive all night long. My love forever, forever. We're in together. My heart never sever. We'll stand through all weather, hand in hand through the storm.
This is my laptop. It just needs a charger.
In the darkest night, you're my light.
I need to fix this. I need to buy a charger.
It's alright. As the days go by, our bond keeps growing.
Morning. Okay, manje, I have a little bit of a predicament because I have forgotten that I need to go do my wig lines. Let me just greet you first. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily Mbulazi, and if you're new in this channel, welcome, love. And if you're returning Buttercup, mwah, welcome back, and thank you for sticking by my side. Guys, in this channel we are learning and unlearning things about ourselves. No pressure, we're just living life as it comes. So guys, I'm starting yet another vlog, and this will be a special vlog because it's my birthday week. It's literally Friday today, and on Tuesday it's my birthday, which means I have like Saturday, Sunday, 3 days to my birthday. What do you mean? Okay guys, as you all know, uqeda ugeza uyajuluka, angani noma kenzeka kunina nonke noma kwenzeka kuthini idudla, but then ngiyashiselwa nje kabi ngoba ngigeza. And I'm in a hurry. I want to go do my wig lines because manje kuyoshaya 10 kumele ngaphathe ngihambile, but then ngizoyiphana town and do my wig lines and come back and prepare for tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to Spirit of Praise. Guys, ukuba ngiyakwazi uku-installa kunje bengizo-installa ngawenzi, but I feel like izoqumba iwave yabo. So I need to go do my wig lines. And guys, let me just finish getting ready and I will see you when we get there. Mwah! I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Love you. Let's get sanas.
Falling stars, shattered dreams, echo cries, silent nights. Heart is breaking, tears keep falling. Nothing mends these broken pieces.
Oh guys, hi guys, today is Saturday. Boo. And guys, I'm going to Spirit of Praise today, but it's still early because I think it started at 7. And right about now, it's 1:15, and I'm starting to, I want to install my hair. I want to take my time, and then I will go and cook, and then I will do my face. Oh no, I'll start with taking out an outfit, and then yo guys, I'm so excited. Yo, this is the day that the Lord has made. Amen. It's actually raining. It's drizzling. Oh, love it for me, Sanas. So guys, I hate this thing here. This thing, I hate it. I don't even wanna put it shame when I install my hair. I feel like this thing and she's still cool. So I'm not even gonna put it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not putting it shame. We are installing my 10-inch. Why do I keep saying 10? Because this is not 10-inch. I realized that in the other video that I made, that I posted already, that you need to go and watch if you haven't. A video leading up to this day. I was unboxing this hair, and I kept saying it was 10-inch, 10-inch. And guys, it's 8-inch. Yay! Ilaptop ubaba uyishiye pho chipstein mfethu. Hamba ovula Popeye. Sure, yes. I love you. Awuzibona ilaptop. Ina 3 lento le. Ma, awuzibona ilaptop. I bought this because I want a scale to cut out my lace. And I got some extra tweezers, even though I do have tweezers. But then I'm a tweezer. Oof. Extra akazabulala muntu. Let me put it down here. I-hairline le yenziwe. I don't like the hairline le. I don't know what to do that. Ooh, yahlala yathi. I had no idea ukuthi inhle kanje. Because last time bengilukile amagoda and ibingahleli. Ish, I really don't like le lona. Ish, ukanikazi le hairline yami kanjani angiyithandi honestly. Yazi izolo ngiyibukile lento le nga-actor ngathi angiyidingi, but now I feel like ngiyayidinga ama-hairpins or hair clips or whatever. Kanyimbawu, what do you mean? Okay, brush, and we're gonna take my foundation. Ngangithatha nje guys, ngingakazazi nokhala wami, futhi angikaze ngiye nje kuyo-check ukhala. E-Dis-Chem bakuswapha esandleni bethi this is your color. But uthole ukuthi hey bo, ubuso bakho is not really like that. So amanye ama-foundation anginawo nje asebenza if I mix them. Khona le enye ye-Maybelline, mengiyimixa nale elegel kuba i-shade yami, but mangayimixanga, it's not my shade. Right now ngifaka i-foundation la kwi-lace. 1, la, and then 2, yeah guys, you must make sure when you cut your weave ukuthi at least even if you don't know what you're doing, but ke une-idea encane, because you know cutting can't take it back honestly. I-frontal nje angisayithandi. Ngathi I'm cutting the hair nje la. I'm cutting the hair. It was bound to happen because it made it outside. Oh guys, I did it. We can do a lot. Also, I'm using a brush because this thing is very messy. This side sizoba nenkinga. Oh, it's fine. Okay. The moment of truth.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations, we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony, we'll sway. With every step, we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom, love's defined.
Listen to the voice deep inside, the melody I find. Oh, the time has come. Imagine solitude. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Side part. I feel like it's gonna be okay. I do like this. Yeah, I'm ready to sew. Yeah. Next time though, we did good. just eat the chicken.
Visions of
I know I last vlogged when I was at Spirit of Praise, and today is my birthday. It's my birthday. I can do what I want. I can be what I want. Anyway, guys, I'm so happy because in the morning I kind of had like a bad day, but then I quickly got lifting up, and my lemons turned into lemonade. Manje, I'm sitting at 400 and something subscribers because of something that happened, but I will explain on another video because right now I'm in a hurry. I need to close off this vlog and edit it and post it, but right now I'm rushing off to somewhere because it's my birthday. So I will update you in the next vlog with like what happened on my birthday and the reason why now I have like so many followers, and it's the ladies from the ladies house. So guys, I laugh about it now, but it was really sad for me actually. But okay, I just wanted to say, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and comment. I will see you on the next video. Buttercups, love you. Anyway, it's my birthday, so happy 26th birthday to me. Yo guys, uNkulunkulu empilweni yami ngiyambona daily, but that is still for another day because I'm actually in a hurry. So cheers.
falling stars, shattered dreams.